Let's all stand up once again. Let's all rise. It's been long, we've been seated. Yeah? Okay, great, thank you. Saudi Arabia is good for date palm, right? Right? Jammu and Kashmir is good for Kashmiri apple, right? Yeah, in India. Why our place like Kerala, like northeastern place, we are good for agar plants. Why won't we plant agar? Let us plant agar plants because it's good for that. If I grow date palm, I think it won't work. But agar is doing fine, right? So let's grow that. I thank God for this moment. I thank the chairman, the guests of honor, and especially Dr. Shamsuddin. The people of Kerala is really blessed to have him. In fact, what I would like to say is, Dr. Shamsuddin is a prayer, born out of a prayer from the forefathers in the Northeast. I would like to put some light on that. Our forefather migrated from the hills of Nagaland towards the plain of Assam 60 years back. When they sowed rice, other vegetables, but it was not growing because of the climatic condition. But they did not know. They were just sowing and it was not coming out. And year after year, there was starvation. खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं था because कुछ भी grow नहीं हो रहा. Then the neighboring Assam people came searching for a particular wood, dark one, which later on we came to know as agar wood. Then that is how our village people in that area of Nagaland survived, just because of this old wood. They used to sell and then buy salt, namak, buy rice and survive. Later on, they slowly came to know the process of weather, climate changes, and then they start growing other vegetables and all. But till then, from then onwards, our area, we started growing agar wood. Nowhere in Nagaland we have agar, but in that particular belt, God has blessed us with agar wood. Right now, I would like to put some small introduction about myself. I am a business management student. I'm an MBA. I worked for multinational companies for 6-7 years. But when I always go back to my village, to my farm, I see all my village people grow agar wood. I was quite curious. Even my grandfather, my father, they grow agar wood. They did not know about inoculation also. They just grow agar wood because they knew that it is a very, expensive thing. But just grew it by faith. They prayed. Now, every person is growing agar wood there. Whether he's a widow, a widower, whether he's a very poor fellow, he has agar farm. Doctor has also visited my farm and he has seen how even the fencings of the border, it's by agar wood. Funny, right? Even the fencing, they don't want to waste that particular plot of land. Agar wood डालता है वो. Border, दोनों का बीच में border, agar wood. Funny, right? So, what I've earlier said that our forefathers' prayer, they were planting agar wood by faith. Thousands of agar wood. Thousands of agar wood. One person, thousands of agar wood. By faith. Not even knowing the process of inoculation. Imagine. Not even knowing the idea of inoculation, they are planting by faith. But the people of Kerala, you are so blessed that you have a people, you have governments, you have such a wonderful scientist who is with you, who is nearby you. I have changed 3 flights to come to Kerala here, this place. 3 flights change kiya maine, just to visit you all, just to visit him. and his team. But you are so lucky. He is just around you. You know, मिलने के लिए नहीं मिलता है हम उसको, भगवान जैसा मान रहा है. ऐसा मत करो कि गौतम बुद्धा इंडिया में पैदा हुआ और जाके he was a blessing to the Chinese or other Asian countries. So make use of him, make use of his team, the knowledge that God has implanted in him. Make use of that. Do not waste that. I'm telling you. We are not so lucky to have him, but as an Indian, we're so lucky again. And I'm sure he will be a great blessing, a boost to Nagaland, to Northeast as a whole. Thank you so much.